Let me show you how to change flooring material in Photoshop. First, create a new layer, then go to Filters and choose Vanishing Point, and place the 4 points of the vanishing plane. You can zoom out and adjust the plane until it fits the total area. After that, open the flooring pattern you want to use and press Ctrl-A to select pixels. Then copy the selection by pressing Ctrl-C. Now return to the main file and go back to Vanishing Point Filter. Paste the selection by pressing Ctrl+V. Then press Ctrl+T to rescale the pattern. Then drag the pattern in the vanishing plane and copy it until it covers the area you want to change. To make it even more realistic, select the pattern layer pixels by holding Ctrl and clicking the layer thumbnail. Then add Curves Adjustment layer and bring this point down a little to darken. And that is how to change floor material in Photoshop. Follow for more Photoshop content.